Hamza,
Hi again.
what's going on today, the last day on
So the
Worldskills 22?
so the last day is yeah, we have an exercise, a continuation of the exercise we did in the first day. So they built the station in the first day, as you see behind me. Now they have to install the activated carbon in the filter inside in order to do an exercise with adsorption. So here we're using methylene blue as a medium to make the water blue, and then after that they have to pump it through the activated carbon to do an adsorption exercise, and then they have to do some change parameters to give us the best. It depends what we asked them for, but they have to calculate how long it will take to make the water clear using a certain parameter of the flow.
So you really can see how the water gets better.
Normally the idea, yeah, because in Germany we have the microplastic thema, or it's a big thing now in Germany and also all over the world, and one of the treatments you can use is activated carbon.
How long is the exercise and how is doing Korea now?
They just started, but she looks like she's trying to figure it out the right parameters, but she looks like concentrated, so I believe she's doing well.
Okay, and how long is it, 1 hour?
It's 1 hour. I forgot to add, there is also a small task also following this one, where they will be using IoT kit, so Internet of Things, and the idea is a little bit this digitalization in the water sector. So we put data in the pump station, in the pump system, and then they have to retrieve this data and complete a form based on the data of the pump.
Okay, so quite challenging, I think.
Yeah, but it's interesting. And we try a little bit to show them what will be the future in the water sector.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.